guys, I just wanted to share with you something cool that you can do with your Chromebook that you probably didn't know before. So you know how there's some certain tricks that you can do with your screen by pressing certain keys on the keyboard? Well, if you want to know some of them but can't remember them, you can just press the buttons Control, Alt, and question mark at the same time, and this should appear, and it just lists some things that you may be able to do to help you with your schoolwork.
I'm going to show you how to split your screen on a Chromebook. So what you want to do first is you want to grab the tab that you want to have on your screen with another tab, drag it all the way down, let it go up, and then click Alt and a bracket for whichever way you want it to go, and click on the other tab. The tab should be full screen. Then click Alt and then the opposite way of what your other tab is on.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to present in a Google Meet. First step you want to do is make sure you have your tab open that you'll be presenting. I'm going to present my gym project tab. This is just an example tab I made. So first make sure you have permission to present from your teacher. Then you're going to go down to your bottom right and click Present Now. Then you're going to click a Chrome tab. This is the Chrome tab up here in the middle of the screen, the gym project. So then you're going to click a Chrome tab. Then this should pop up. These are all the tabs I have up here, and they're all right here. So I'm doing the gym project tab. You'll just be able to present this tab, just so you know. Then you're going to go down to Share. So now you're on the tab. This is just an example tab I made. Make sure it will show up right up here that you're sharing your tab, and down here you're presenting to everyone. Make sure before you start talking about your project or whatever you're talking about, make sure everyone can hear you and see you. Sometimes it takes longer for others. So once you get the okay, everyone can see it, go ahead and share the tab.
I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook. To take a screenshot of the full screen, you have to click the Control key and the Show Windows key at the same time. This would show up at the bottom, and to save it, click Copy to Clipboard. To take a screenshot of part of the screen, you have to click the Control key, the Shift key, and the Show Windows key. The screen will turn dark, and you can highlight whatever you want to take a shot of. This will come up again, and to save it, click Copy to Clipboard. To access these files, you click the launcher, the up arrow, and then Files. They'd either show up in your Google Drive or in your downloads.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and during this virtual learning, you might have a hard time focusing during class. I have something that might help you. This is called the Fidget Cube, and what it is has little gadgets on it that you can press, move around, or click. And it really helps me because I am a person who likes to move their hands all the time. It is really helping because it just takes my mind off of everything and focuses on what I'm supposed to be doing. I got mine off of Amazon, and you can get it in different colors with different gadgets on it. So yeah, I hope this helped you, and stay safe. Bye guys.